Right here. No, wait. I gotta like hit one of the other ones. Hold up, right here. Are you? Oh my gosh! Oh, they don't explode all at once? Lame. Oh, yes they do. House. How strong is the chimney? My God! There we go. Escape vehicle. Did I just do this illegally?
Escape vehicle. Bro caused all kinds of explosions. All that and nobody noticed.
Oh? Oh. Gee, you gotta know that. Why are these so bouncy, dog? Wait, can I just like break this big tower down? Let's go! Oh shoot! Why is this thing so fast? Peak. Oh shoot!
And I barely did anything.
My guy, what? No way. Is the car just holding it up? Oh, yes it is. Wait. Oh, yo! Oh, are you kidding me? Ain't even gonna break from that. Nothing happened here. Wait, can I just like break this entire electrical thing? Huh.
Pretty sure they're like
I can drag them?
boiler tanks or whatever they're called.
Get rid of the evidence. Okay, never mind, I can't drag them far though. Holy, this thing is fast! Is this just a house? No, there's a helicopter. What? I did not escape. Amateur. Does some rich guy really just pay me to destroy a bunch of random people's stuff to make space for his yacht? No way.
Job is a job.
Okay, see? This is such a great idea though. Unless it just falls through the entire thing. My idea is so good. It's gone. I can't even see the top of it.
I was thinking. Just watch it burn for like 50 seconds and then just take off. Right before the security.
See, I do. Okay. This two. Okay, that's all. Oh my gosh. It's all burning. Okay, I'm about to watch some fireworks here. I love breaking an entire village because a rich person That is not what happened. They're all gone.
There used to be 5 cabbage.
There used to be.
Now there's 0.
Peak. Oh, shoot. I'm not so forklift. Oh wait, there's another one.
Just get a new one.
Oh shoot.
Shit broken out. What?
Your car ain't doing too well. It's still there.
Straight into the level.
That counts? So. Professional instructions. Freaking paint.
Just level that out.
A little off the top, sir.
Little off the top. Ayo.
Oh my.
Hold on.
Oh, shit.
Is it drivable still? Are you driving?
Destroy the attic. Oh, just a little off the top. 9.6 meters too tall.
Million oxels.
Oh, so I do that, but now it's not drivable. After I hit a lamppost. Oh, so now it's not drivable. Oh, I got a truck, but it's got a slight. Oh no, I think my truck is total.
Weight reduction. Weight reduction.
Raceable race truck for sale. Speed run. That did not work.
Destroy the Jeep. Get that thing out of there.
Yeah, these things shouldn't
car
exist.
brand. Yeah, horrible car brand. You into the water it goes. That works.
Why is the Jeep still here? There we go.
Yo, you gotta destroy the stuff on the floor.
Just a tiling?
Oh wait, I forgot there's no cars in the garage.
Donkey Kong was here. What did I get? Oh, oh shoot.
Oh
I'm telling you, bro, this game isn't real. I swear if his yacht just blows up. Gets him sleeping. Oh yeah, featured mods. Hold up. Yo! Yo!
telekinesis.
Wait a minute. I haven't even beaten the game yet though. Oh wait, here, let me try it.
Lightning gun.
Thermite, vacuum, firefighter, airstrike.
Airstrike. Feeling a little lazy, calling armored gunship to do the destruction for you.
Cast iron revolt. What the pipe bomb.
You just have an infinite of everything.
What the?
Why'd you gotta go?
Napalm bomb.
Destroy it.
Oh my. He set everything on fire.
Monster bomb. Acid.
Wait, what? Holy, this is causing lag.
Underwater instant.
Like. No.
Wow, that's quick.
All right. Wait, no, come back.
Imagine it still gets pulled back.
Option at the bottom, quick action. Oh, okay. Like,
How did your profile... How did your comment go to 22 hours?
are you kidding me? They have an option. New World Trade Center. Old World Trade Center.
No way, dude.
They already knew what we were thinking. Look. Wait. Let me recreate. Let me recreate this. Alright.
Don't know the exact street. That's crazy.
Alright.
Playing gun.
Where are they?
What was that?
I don't know. Government representation. Oh, what happened?
What kind of pipe bomb is that?
What did I do? I see the entire World Trade Center coming down.
Huh?
What did that pipe bomb do? Oh my gosh. The entire city got leveled. What did I do? Another one. New York. No, I missed.